Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. Build muscle without heavier weights using the fixed weight technique. The fixed weight technique is a great strategy for building muscle without increasing the weight of your equipment. Here's how you can use this technique effectively. Number 1. Increase reps or sets. Instead of adding weight, increase the number of repetitions or sets you perform. This increases the total volume of work, promoting hypertrophy, muscle growth. Number 2. Slow down tempo. Focus on time under tension by slowing down the eccentric, lowering, and concentric, lifting, phases of each exercise. For example, take 3 to 5 seconds to lower the weight and 2 seconds to lift it. Number 3. Use isometric holds. Incorporate pauses at the hardest part of the movement. For instance, during a squat, pause for 3 to 5 seconds at the bottom before returning to the starting position. Number 4. Reduce rest periods. Shorten rest intervals between sets to keep your muscles under stress, enhancing fatigue and encouraging growth. Number 5. Incorporate supersets and drop sets. Perform 2 exercises back-to-back with no rest in between, supersets, or reduce the weight after reaching failure and continue the set, drop sets. Number 6. Utilize partial reps. After reaching failure with full range of motion, perform partial reps in the range where you still have strength. Number 7. Focus on form and mind-muscle connection. Perfect your form and actively engage the target muscle group during each rep. This maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise without needing heavier weights. Number 8. Increase frequency. Train the same muscle group more often during the week. For example, instead of training chest once a week, split your volume into 2 sessions with fixed weights. Example routine with fixed weights. Dumbbell bench press, 30 pounds each hand. Set 110 slow reps, 3-second descent, 1-second pause, 2-second lift. Set 2, 8 regular reps plus 5 partial reps. Set 3 12 reps superset with push-ups to failure. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. This approach optimizes your training intensity without needing heavier equipment. Would you like more specific exercises or routines tailored to your goals?